Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can import custom footer templates in your Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see this is by default footer that is created with Elementor Pro and Astra theme. So let's see how we can add a footer template in our website. Just log in into our website. Then after that, here you can see Elementor, then templates, theme builder. Here you can see this is theme builder interface. Just we can add or import templates. So by default now header is imported. Now we want to import footer template, but at this time we have no template. Just we can download from the website mcstarters.com. Here you can see Elementor templates, Elementor header, Elementor footer. Just click here. After that scroll down. So these are all the footer design that you can select and download according to your requirements. For example, I want to download this one, 51. Scroll down, make sure that you have created a free account on this website, then click here download now. Now you need to create an account, but I already have account. Just click here sign in with Google. Here you can see downloading will be started only in 20 seconds. So just we can wait to start download. After that we will import that template into our website. Let's see how it works. Here you can see download here option. So the file has been downloaded. Just click here folder icon. After that extract the file. So now open the file and let's see. This is the actual file. Here you can see the format JSON. So we need to upload this file in our website. Let's go back to the website. After that click here, add new. Here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. It will take just few seconds. After that we will be able to customize our website. Here you can see on the top, just click here and after that select the file. So let's select. After that click here continue. Now here you can see these are the templates that we have added. At this time, here you can see if you want to add footer section, just click here. Here you can see the footer has been imported. After that, here you can see on the right side, just click here display conditions. Then click here add condition. After that, here you can see these are various options. If you want to display this footer on various single pages, just you can select the pages. After that, if you want to enable this footer on the entire site, just click here, then save and close. So now let's refresh the website. Here you can see footer has been updated. that is with our new footer templates that we have downloaded from MC Starters. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.